What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. But today, I'm going to tell you guys the reasons why I decided to upgrade my main vlogging camera from a GoPro Hero 7 Black to the newest GoPro Hero 9. For those of you that don't know this, I started my YouTube career about a year ago. Holy crap, it's been almost a year of making YouTube videos. Insane. I actually started recording my videos with my iPhone 11 Pro and with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now, little by little, that GoPro Hero 7 Black camera became my main vlogging camera. And my phone, well, my phone just went back to being my phone. Alright, but before I dive into the reasoning behind upgrading to the Hero 9, we gotta fill up the tank because we're actually heading to one of my best friend's house to test out the Hero 9 versus the Hero 7's resolution, just so you guys see the difference. But let's fill up the tank. Okay, let's dive right in the reasons why I decided to go with a GoPro Hero 9. First, it's portability. Let's be honest, you can easily fit a GoPro camera in pretty much any pocket. Check this out. Well, this is actually a little bit smaller than the GoPro Hero 9 because that's the one I'm using to record this right now. But in essence, you get the point. You're pretty much comfortable taking it anywhere. You can just fit it again in your pocket, in any backpack, any purse. It's just incredible, unlike any other mirrorless camera or DSLR camera, which are obviously a lot bigger. GoPro cameras are more discreet because of their size, so they don't really scare people away. And this is something I had to experience when I went to Mexico in the cenotes, and it was awesome. I was so relieved to have this instead of a huge camera. And also the weight, way lighter than a regular camera. This, you can pretty much use it in any weather condition. As you guys can see, here in Miami today just happened to be a very windy day. We're gonna hop on that kayak right there and we're gonna sail away. By the way, before I forget, right now I'm about to show you guys both GoPro Hero 7 right here, GoPro Hero 9 right here, so you guys can see the difference as far as the quality of the video and a little bit of the resolution. Now, so we're all on the same page. They're both set up at 4K at 60 frames per second. In case there's this epic shot that I just want to slow down, I have the ability to do so. All right, so now we're just gonna get the kayak in the water and have some fun. Safety first. Oh, by the way, I also wanted to test out the mics in both GoPros and show you guys the difference, but obviously since it's so windy out here, I had to plug in a shotgun mic into the GoPro Hero 9. So just for the sake of the video, we're not testing the audio quality. We're just testing out the video quality. All right, let's go do this, guys. Hero 7, Hero 9, and a kayak. All right, so in the meantime, shout out to one of my best friends, Chris, who's taking us on board the kayak. He's pretty much doing all the work while I record this. And check this out. Pretty windy out here. So again, as I was saying, obviously a big pro of upgrading to a GoPro Hero 9 instead of a regular camera is the fact that you can just use it pretty much under any weather condition at any time. Water, snow, dirt, it doesn't really matter. Now, if I had a regular camera here right now, I would be a little bit more stressed out because of the fact that it can get wet and it wouldn't survive that water damage for sure. Now, as far as the price, right now the GoPro Hero 9 goes for about $400, which is a little bit less expensive than most of the DSLR and mirrorless cameras that are out there in the market that can actually record at 4K and at least 60 frames per second, which is pretty awesome if you ask me, for a little camera just like this one. And even the GoPro Hero 7, which it's right here, again, it's a lot better of an investment for a YouTuber who's just starting out than getting into huge expense with a camera that's a little bit more professional, that obviously is going to give you a lot better results in terms of quality. Well, actually, let me rephrase that. Not a lot better, but obviously a little bit better quality results as far as like the pixels and all of that stuff that I'm not gonna get into right now. But the GoPros do a pretty good job. You're better off with something this small, or this small, kind of big. This is my whole vlogging setup. You're better off with this than, again, with a huge camera that needs a gimbal to stabilize the footage. By the way, let me know in the comments below right now, what do you guys think about the image stabilization? Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know. Dude, I'm getting a little bit nervous out here just because it's so windy and the waves are just moving us from side to side to the point that the kayak started tilting a little bit too much for my liking. I don't know about you guys, but I think I proved my point here as far as my reasoning behind upgrading my main vlogging camera from a GoPro Hero 7 to a GoPro Hero 9. Once again, portability, durability, and obviously the price versus quality ratio, which is unbelievable. I'm getting wet right now, but that's okay because I got a GoPro. Alright guys, so as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and remember, you haven't seen my best or my worst video yet, so subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you guys get notified when all my videos come out. And special shout out once again to Chris for letting me do this on such a windy day. from Miami. I'll see you guys in the next video.